Patty, thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. So yeah, Brandy is a good creator. She's trans. Obviously, she's actually trans. I'm not trans, but she's talking about this one creator who is a teacher who's like I guess she's a lesbian trans person or whatever. And she looks masculine, which I mean, you shouldn't make judgments based on that, right? Someone could look masculine, maybe they want to get surgeries, maybe they don't, but you could be a masculine person as a trans person, and that's totally fine, right? But this teacher is very forceful in getting into the woman's washroom, and there are domestic charges against her and all that, right? But, I mean, and whenever I speak of creators that do things that are against the law, things that are not tasteful at all, you know what I mean, really bad things, if I ever talk about that, I always say that I don't know much about them, because I don't watch her at all, this person that they're talking about in this video, Brandy, is talking about in this video. I don't watch the creator that she's talking about at all. I just know, I did see a lot of these memes and videos on this girl that's trans. I guess she was once a man, now she's a trans lesbian, right? But yeah, I don't typically watch her, so I don't know the full facts. I can't say for sure whether she's broken laws or anything like that. But just the video itself, she's like trying to impede on using the woman's washroom, and that's something that obviously a lot of trans people have arguments with and debates with to defend themselves, and most trans people you would think would be fine. I mean, for me, I don't, if somebody's trans in the men's washroom, I'm a cisgender male, so I use the men's washroom, that I don't worry about who's in there, really, right? And if somebody, somebody's sketchy or whatever, I mean, I'm strong, but I don't really worry about it, right? They can do their thing and whatever in peace, right? And if there's a trans person, I don't really worry about it, right? But, with women, it is a bit more sensitive of an issue. And I understand that some trans people can be scary. Some of them are not even trans. They just choose to use women's space, right? So I understand the fear there and what's going on and how it's a big debate. But I also don't know if this is really true that she broke the laws with domestic violence. But I mean, some of these videos, some people do videos that are outlandish, out crazy, whatever, and they don't mean anything by it. They just want to get popular and do something crazy. And some people so that they get more views. Some people do videos like that because they are, crazy, so to speak, or whatever. I can't speak of this woman that she's talking about, this trans woman that she's talking about, because I don't know if she broke the law with domestic abuse. I mean, there's an article about it, but I don't know much about it, right? But in general, she's being forceful about using the woman's washroom, which is not okay, right? And, we should all make sure that if we have a situation for ourselves that we feel is, something that we feel is a right that's impeded upon us, that's not allowing us to do something, we can't be angry about it, right? Because some people think great things about trans people. Lots of people do, right? Lots of people think trans people should use the women's washroom. Almost everybody does, right? But there are some people that are bad apples that don't. But and then, if there's people that say negative things to you, chances are they're just not your right person, right? Or if they don't like trans people, whatever, you can't change them, right? But there are a lot of people that are positive about it, a lot of people that support it, a lot of people that like people, so you don't have to force your way into any conversation or into any way of being, because there are a lot of people that support lots of causes, right? And they don't judge you regardless of what you believe in, right? So yes, I mean, this girl is clearly forceful when she talks about it on the channel. And, if this domestic violence case is true, then maybe she is that kind of person, right? Some people just do it for fun, whatever, and get controversy, then change their tune, right, and apologize. But, I mean, the thing is, when somebody does a video like this, you just have to sit and wonder what kind of person are they, right? But, we don't know. I don't want to spew facts and say this girl is a lawbreaker or whatever, but she might be. And I mean, if that was an article in the newspaper, then yes, it could be true. But anyway, Brandy talks about all this stuff and brings it to the forefront. And a lot of women and trans people worry about these things because obviously it's their washroom and their situation and their laws that protect them, right? So it's very important. And some women don't worry about laws of being broken, whatever they're taught. But I mean, in general, that is an important issue in the trans community, right? Anyway, thank you guys. Bye now. Bye.